I'm officially on the quest to find the best art hacks in the world. All of them. I want to know all of them. I actually know quite a few that work really, really well. I'm gonna compile them in a video for you at some point. But today I'm doing research to find more art hacks. I want new, fresh ideas that actually work, that make my life easier. And where do you find the best new current information usually? TikTok. I've saved a few here. Which one do I try first? This one seems easy enough. Using a leaf and oil pastel. Let's do it. I'm assuming that not all leaves are made equal, so we have a sunflower. We have a lilac, tomato leaf, and a cedar. This hack is not one that's gonna help me draw better or faster or paint in an easier way, but it could be a great hack for a home decor piece, a really easy way to do it. Let's see if it works. Is it the girl? Is it the leaf? Is it the pastel? I'll try dry pastel, see if it makes a difference. It has to be the leaves. Wrong leaves. Charcoal. This is exquisite. This is supposed to be so easy. They're doing it like in 20 seconds. Oil pastel again, but super gentle now. I can do these. I mean, maybe the leaf is too flimsy. Let's try a firmer leaf. I'll try with a very, very soft, dry pastel. We can do this. One leaf, just one leaf. I mean, that was so easy and it looks so great. If it's gonna take me as long as trying to paint an actual leaf, it's not a hack. What else have you got, TikTok? Vomit a rainbow. How cute. Do you want to puke a little rainbow, buddy? Let's do it. I feel like I put too much paint, but moment of truth. Let's do it. I mean, did it work? You judge. Well, it doesn't save time. That's for sure. At least not the ones I just tried. Let's keep going. This is so impressive. Let's carve a tree. Oh my God, it looks so nice. Prediction, I won't be able to make the tree look as nice, but if carving the trunks and branches in a tree works, it could save time. Moment of truth. I think it kind of works, but we have to work fast. Oh, that's so nice. I think this works. Success. I feel like this could work. Seriously, I did this in about 2 minutes. I didn't put any effort. I just slapped some paint on canvas and I started to carve the tree trunks. It looks a little bit messy right now, but it's just because I didn't apply myself. Literally 2 minutes. This could work with just a little bit more time. I could make branches and tree trunks. A hack that works. In my back pocket. More, please, TikTok. I had faith in you. I knew I would find something great. Let's see. This looks so cool. I'm never gonna be able to do this. This is never gonna work. First, I don't have a chain, so I have to find some kind of replacement, like a string. I predict a massive failure. Let's fail together. I'm a little nervous to do this. I feel like I have to do it super fast. Oh, this paint is so runny. No hesitation. Come on, Sin. Oh, yeah. It's neon paint, so I want to see what it gives, even though it might be a bit thick. It's kind of working and kind of really not working at all. I feel like the weight of a chain would make a whole lot of difference in this case. But we're here now, so let's do it. It's kind of pretty. It's almost working. If you try it, put a lot of white. Far from perfect, but I'm calling this kind of like a success. With the right tools, a chain, paints that are super liquidy, and the right proportion, like playing around with it, I see this being very addictive. Very addictive. I can totally see why people do pouring, those abstract pouring paints. It's super addictive. It's so messy and it wastes a lot of paint, but it's really fun to immerse yourself in the process of color and seeing the cells develop. The process is so much fun. I really, really recommend it. Tick tock, give me more, give me more. This is so much fun. The drawing a perfect circle method. One, does it work? And two, is it useful at all? Let's see. Pencil paper, and the trick is to keep your hand super stable and to turn the paper instead of Anything else? I don't know. Okay, so I'm assuming depending on how far out your pen goes, that's where the size of the circle is going to be affected. Let's do this. Am I artistically challenged? Maybe I am. Oh, maybe because this is my right hand and I'm left-handed. Okay, let's see again. Okay, I'm not moving. It looks so easy on the paper is too small. All right, let's try it smaller. I feel really dumb right now because what am I doing wrong? This is really, clearly he can do it. And a hack should be, by definition, simple and useful. I feel like, here's my hack. What else do you have for me, TikTok? Dazzle me. Water droplets, that's interesting. So I guess the premise is that the paper is a mid-tone, like a grayish paper. You got a white pencil, some black pencil, and a blending stump. I can do this. Blend, blend, blend. The only thing is that for the highlight, the really strong highlight, you need a gel pen, I think. It works and it's really easy to do and so much fun. I think the key for this is really to have a mid-tone paper because it takes a lot of the work out of the equation. Because the background is mid-tone, the white really pops as well as the black. I feel like it could also be done with different colors. That would be a lot of fun as long as the edges of the water droplet is really dark, like a super dark blue or even a little bit of black, and that it fades to lighter colors to the middle with that pop of white, and keeping that gray background. It'll work with like a rainbow droplet kind of thing. This is fun. For practicing drawing, it's instant gratification and minimal effort, really minimal effort. Good job, TikTok. I mean, that was quite a ride. A lot of highs, some lows, some I'm not sure exactly what happened. It's not a bad way to spend an afternoon if you're bored and if you don't know what to draw or paint. Try some TikTok hacks. It's really fun. My quest for knowledge is far from over. I'll be testing more of these, but if you want to see me work really hard at an art challenge that turned out well, watch this one. It's a pretty good one, I think. I'll see you in just a few days for another one. Thanks for watching. Bye.